Over 35 years of establishment and development, Honkai has continuously researched and improved technology with the desire to bring quality products to serve customers. In addition to electronic welding machines, woodworking machines, motors, and electric engines, Honkai also researches and manufactures modern production lines for processing steel coils and sheets, such as slitting line and cut-to-length line. Among these, the cut-to-length line is designed to serve industries that produce welding machine shells, household appliances, and automobiles. The cut-to-length line consists of 7 units: the coil car, the payoff reel, the leveler, the measuring roll, the rotary shear, the conveyor, the finished stacking unit. The machine begin operation from the coil car unit, which has the task of feeding the steel coil into the uncoiling machine shaft, with a powerful hydraulic system featuring a cylinder diameter of 180 mm makes it easy to transport steel coil. The arm on the shaft head helps support the shaft head. Next, the material is fed through the leveler unit. This is the main unit of the line with 19 straightening rollers. In this unit, the material is straightened until the surface is flat and smooth. This unit has the advantage of quickly adjusting the straightening rollers. The transmission assembly is designed to be robust and efficient. The rollers are designed using method of assembling in modules, making it easy to disassemble for cleaning or maintenance. After straightening, the steel sheet's length is measured before being passed through the rotary shear unit. The cutting machine unit has a 360-degree rotating cutting system operated by a servo motor, providing fast and accurate cutting speeds. The machine operates at maximum efficiency, ensuring continuous workflow. Additionally, the lifting table system operated by pneumatic cylinders is specially designed to allow operators to enter for cleaning or blade replacement. After cutting, the material is fed through the conveyor unit, which is equipped with a table for sample inspection. The first sample is taken by the operator. During the operation, the operator checks the accuracy of the length, width, and flatness. If the quality is satisfactory, the sample continues on the conveyor. The machine is equipped with 2 finished product stacking units. When the first unit is full, the system automatically stacks into the second unit until completion. The finished products are neatly and straightly stacked before being transported to the storage area. In addition to the exclusively designed technology, the machine line also boasts exceptional advantages that few machines on the market have, such as easy control, continuous operation, safety, flexible specifications, uniform product quality. The Honkai sheet cutting machine line is designed and developed by Japanese experts along with a team of experienced engineers and technicians. We are committed to providing the best solutions to help customers optimize costs, increase productivity, and enhance work efficiency. Contact us via the hotline at +84 909 073 505 for consultation about the cut-to-length line, or refer to the products on our website www.honkai.com.